year 2019 of Civil Service Brief, which is also called CSAT. Passage 5 after question number 5 is climate change may actually benefit some plants by lengthening growing season and increasing carbon dioxide. Yet other effects of a warmer world, such as more pests, drought, and flooding, will be less benign. How will world adapt? Researchers project that by 2050, suitable cropland for four commodities maize, potatoes, rice, and wheat will shift in some cases, pushing farmers to plant new crops. Some farmland may benefit from warming, but others won't. Climate uh, alone does not dictate yields, political shifts, global demand, and agriculture practices will influence how farms fare in the future. So, question number 6, based on this passage, which one of the following is most logical and rational inference that can be made from above passage? Option A, farmers who modernize their methods and diversify their field will be in an advantageous position in future. Option B, climate change will adversely affect the crop diversity. Option C, shifting major crop to new cropland will lead to great increase in the total area under cultivation and thus an increase in overall agriculture production. Option D, climate change is the most important factor affecting the agriculture economy in the future. So here economy is not discussed. So uh, climate change is the most important factor affecting the agriculture economy in the future is not the answer. And diversity is also not is not discussed in the passage. If these were not there, the new crops will be there. So diversity will can remain intact. Okay, so B is also not the answer. And shifting major crops to new cropland will lead to great increase in total area. Area is also not mentioned in the paragraph, so this is also not the answer. And last one, sorry, option A is farmers who modernize their method and diversify their field will be in an advantageous position in the future. That is mentioned. So here, in some cases, pushing farmers to plant new crops. Some farmland may benefit from warming, global warming, and but others won't. If they want to get benefit from warming, so they should modernize their method according to climate and diversify their fields. Uh, field will diversify their field will be in an advantageous position. So answer should be A, because some may benefit who will adopt the climate or who will the change according to your climate, they will get benefit and other may not get benefit from the warming. So answer is option A. Farmers who modernize their methods and diversify their field will be in an advantageous position in future. So answer is option A. Farmers who modernize their methods and diversify their field will be in an advantageous position in future. So answer is option A.